Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I am making some powerhouse tablets today using moringa leaf powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, ground black pepper, and honey. It's all handmade, homemade, DIY, so keep watching. Nature's darling Lenka. 3 tablespoons turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons moringa powder, 3 tablespoons ginger powder, a half teaspoon ground black pepper, two and a half to 3 tablespoons raw honey. Okay, moringa leaf powder has antioxidant properties, reduces inflammation, helps with joint pains and swellings, helps to treat tumors, protects tissues such as liver, kidneys, heart, and lungs. It lowers blood pressure. Black pepper aids turmeric absorption. It helps absorb curcumin. Turmeric is one of nature's most powerful inflammation fighters. It not only fights aches and pains in joints, but it fights it fights brain fog too. Research has shown that when the brain is inflamed, memory formation and recall both suffer. It has weight loss properties. It helps joint pains and inflammation. It is a blood thinner, so it helps reduce high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. It helps arthritis, it regulates blood sugar, improves brain function, and it has antioxidant properties. Olive oil is used to prevent the mixture from sticking to my gloves and the utensils. Also, besides black pepper, any kind of fat, such as oil, milk, avocado, fish, or nuts, will activate the goodness in turmeric. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is good for the immune system and it is a heat-producing herb. It helps ease muscle pain and arthritis symptoms. It may help with weight loss. Thanks for watching. Peace.